So yesterday I showed you guys a bit of the 1966 Belvedere, and this is obviously the latest and newest project, and we're going to be getting started on this pretty soon, but we're not probably going to be messing with this particular car very, very quick because we actually have something else going on with another car that you guys have seen on the channel that is actually going to a new home. So the two actually have a little bit to do with each other because they're actually sharing the same space right now on this property, but they won't see each other again for quite a while until the No Name Nationals in the end of September and the 1st of October in Sikeston, Missouri. These two cars are going to see each other again. What car am I talking about? Well, I'll show you. And this is the other car. This is the 1971 Satellite Sebring Plus, Plum Crazy Purple, white interior, originally a 383 automatic car. And this is being sold to a guy in Tennessee, a guy that a lot of you probably know. His name is Jim Bennett at Bennett's Hot Rod Garage and Classic Restoration, and I'm going to put a link to his channel in the description of my video. This car is being delivered to him next week, and I'm going to take you guys with me when I deliver it so you guys can see more information on that. Maybe do a quick video while we're unloading it when we're there. So anyways, that's kind of besides the point, but this car is going to be built by Jim Bennett. Current plan that I know of, obviously you'll see a lot more on his channel if he decides to show it on the channel. I'm not sure his plan for that is 440 4-speed. It's going to stay a Satellite Sebring Plus, and to my knowledge he's going to do his best to make sure that this is also at No Name Nationals. So it's kind of interesting that a car that's currently mine, but it's going to be someone else's very soon, is also going to be at No Name Nationals if all goes according to plan. So that leads me to the next point. I'm challenging Jim Bennett to a race with this 1971 Satellite versus the 1966 Belvedere 2. I think it would be a really cool race. Both 440 cars. One of them's a 4-speed, one of them's an automatic. This car is basically, everybody has their own opinion, but this particular car is basically at the end of the high performance era within Mopar. And that 66 Belvedere is at the beginning of the high performance era, generally speaking. There's a lot of things just outside of those years, but 1966 versus 1971, 440 versus 440, Plymouth versus Plymouth, B-body versus B-body. I think it would be a heck of a race, and I think if he chooses to accept the challenge, I think it's going to be very entertaining to watch. But we'll see what he does, and I want to bring you guys with me when we deliver it next week. I'll do a couple of update videos as we're driving down there probably, as well as try to do a video while I'm there. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see what he thinks of that idea. But anyways, just kind of a quick little thing I figured I'd share in case any of you were interested as to, first of all, what's happened to this car, and second of all, for any of you that didn't see the video yesterday regarding the 66 Belvedere, definitely go check that out. And I have a few videos of this on my channel as well. You can go check that out too. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for now, and I'll see you guys in the next one.